Why you acting a fool? Wait. Why are you acting a fool? You're being a crazy bird. Crazy bird, that's what you're being. Angel. Why are you acting a fool? Why are you acting a fool? Huh? What? What'd you say? What'd you say? You got something to say? Hey, you got something to say? Why are you acting a fool? Angel. Don't act like you don't hear me. I have no clue what you just said. Why are you acting a fool? Angel. You're acting retarded. Quit acting like a retard.
That's right.
Retard.
Did I mess up?
No. Are you acting like a retard? Ooh, Angel. Daddy's gonna get you. Daddy fart. Chill, Daddy fart. Huh. You ain't right. Angel. Quit acting a fool. Don't even start. Little brat. Little brat. Are you rotten? Just go ahead and say it. I'm rotten. So rotten. Angel, you better stop it. What? Angel? Are you a good boy? Are you a good bird? Huh? What? I'm talking to you. You stop it. You stop. Why are you acting a fool? Huh? Why are you acting a fool? What? What? Huh? You even got Buddy going. Probably got everybody in the house awake. Quit mumbling. I can hear you.